Hey all, today we're going to discuss how to do inverted flat spins. While this is a basic aerobatic maneuver, mastering these stick movements will open the door to a whole lot of other aerobatics in the future. The plane I'm using is a PAU Edge 540, 120cc. You can use pretty much any plane that is capable of doing aerobatics because this is a relatively easy maneuver and most airframes can do it. Depending on your entry speed, it can either be a low or high energy maneuver. You just want to have medium to high rates. You need to have enough elevator and enough rudder to flatten out and initiate the spin. So let's get right into it. First of all, we're going to start with the down line, cutting your throttle, and then we're going to add some left aileron to initiate the roll. Once it starts rolling, then you're going to give it right rudder and down elevator, holding that aileron, and then center your ailerons or possibly even move them to the right. That's going to give you a nice, beautiful spin, and it's going to give you plenty of time to like, subscribe, click the bell. All right, now we got to get out of this maneuver. When we get out of this maneuver, we're going to go left rudder and add a little throttle. Then we're going to go left aileron and a little bit of down elevator. That's going to level out the plane. You can roll out and fly out. All right, we want to make it a little bit more fun. You add a little throttle on the down line, and that's going to give you a blender. Next time you're out at the field, give this a try. It's really not that difficult of a maneuver. It's my goal to help you by sharing my knowledge. You can pay it forward by sharing this video with your friends. I'm going to continue this series by doing upright flat spins next. Please take the time to leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see. And until next time, happy landings.